guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Chess. In this video we are gonna learn about the king. This is a king. Number 1. How the king moves. King moves in every direction. King moves in every direction, but the problem is it can move in every direction only one square. It means one square here, one square here, one square here, one square here, here. Not in one move. It has choice to go here. It can move in every direction, but it can move only one square. Captures of king. King moves in every direction one square. King captures also every direction in one square. See, here, one square, here. You are wondering why didn't I cover this? Because the pawn captures like this. If the king goes here, the pawn will capture it. So, this is not a square. This. Look, the king can capture the pawn. Now king can go here or here. Let me give you another example. Here. King moves one square. Here. Then go here or here. You're wondering why didn't I go this square and this square? Because the bishop, this is a dark square bishop, so it does like this. It moves in diagonals, so the king cannot go here. See, the king, it is one square, the king captured the bishop. This is captures of king. This. Starting positions of kings. When a game is started, these are the starting positions of kings. These are the starting positions of white king. This is the starting positions of black king. So this is it about the king. I don't want to leak what is in the next video that I am leaking in every video. Goodbye.